So I was cleaning this little one. She was pooping. I'm very smelly. And then I heard Athena saying, eating. I said, what are you eating? Because the family room is locked. And there's apple there. But in the dining room, the only thing that's here, that's exposed, is the mango. So I came in with Thea, and this is what I found. Without a bib, of course. But yeah, she was just eating it, chewing it, and then spitting out the skin. And I said, are you barbaric? What did you respond? You barbaric? You're just eating like that. Yeah. Yeah. So I had to put her bib on, and she continuously eat. Yeah, with the skin. What a silly girl. You silly girl?
No.
No?
Yeah.
You like mango?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, considering you're almost half of it. Hey! Hey! Yeah. Oh my goodness, my love. You really love mango, eh? Yeah, mango. Mango is color yellow. Yeah, color yellow. The mango is color yellow. Yeah. After mango. Yeah. All done? What? Are you giving one to your sister? Oh no. Sister is okay right now. Share? Oh wow. That would be a very big mango for sister. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh, what? You tired of eating the mango? Yes? No? Yeah. You share mango to sister? Yes. Oh, no. Eat, did you say? We have two barbaric now. Oh, no. She did. She bite it. Yes, you did. Oh no, what are we going to do? Oh no.
Mama.
Yes. All right. Okay. Well, let me peel that and then you can enjoy, okay?